What is summer without a mojito? The mojito is an iconic Cuban cocktail, and today I'm going to show you how to make the original plus 2 colorful variations that taste incredible. We're making a classic mojito, a tropical dragon fruit mojito, and a blue wave mojito. Let's get started. First, grab 3 Collins glasses and then get 3 limes. Cut each lime into half and cut each half into 4 pieces. And add each half into the Collins glass. For the classic mojito, add 2 ounces of white rum. Add also for the dragon fruit mojito. For the blue wave mojito, add 2 ounces of coconut rum. For the classic mojito and the dragon fruit mojito, we're going to add 2 spoons of brown sugar. Add another 2 spoons here. For the blue wave mojito, we're going to use cream of coconut. In the dragon fruit mojito, add couple pieces of dragon fruit. Now gently muddle everything to release the lime juice and mix out the flavors. Muddle the dragon fruit now. Look at that beautiful color. Get a fresh mint. Remember, don't over muddle the mint because it can taste bitter. Give the mint a firm slap between your hand to activate its aroma. Then add it to the glass. This is my homemade mint, so I grow in here in house, okay? That's why it's a little smaller than the one that you're gonna buy in the store. 5-6 mint leaves to each of the mojito. Fill out 3 mojitos with crushed ice. Never cubes. Crushed ice chill faster, melts slower, and that slight dilution is exactly what mojito needs. So let's fill the mojito with this crushed ice. I did mine in the blender. Fill the glass with ice to the top. On this one, we're gonna add 1 ounce of blue curacao, and we're going to add on each one 2 ounces of club soda. Beautiful. We're going to stir the classic mojito very good. We're going to stir the dragon fruit mojito, but we're going to keep this one layered. Add couple dashes. In the classic mojito, I really like it with couple dashes of bitter. And garnish them with a lime wheel, each one, and little mint. And there we have it, 3 mojito made for summer. The classic, the dragon fruit mojito, and the bright blue wave mojito. If you like my video, subscribe, comment, and like this video. Let me know which mojito you'll try this week. Cheers!